Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. We're on. It's right at the back of it. Yeah, they're all just, even slow it down a tiny bit. Surely, they're all behind it. There's like 3 of them behind it.
Something to grab it.
Yeah, they're behind it.
Oh, come on.
Oh.
Come on.
Oh, look at that. He's a big boy. Fuck. Keep trolling like that. Oh, he's a big dolly. Fuck, that's a big dolly. Fuck, that was a big one.
Was it?
Yeah, fucking big. Yeah, they're all here. Oh, one hit it. Yeah, we're on. See if you can get around the other side of the fad. Oh, I needed to go around the other side of the fad. Yeah. Is the GoPro on? Red light?
Red light's on.
Yeah, sweet. That was sick.
Dead bait turning into a live bait.
That was so sick.
It's a matter of timing and firing it like that, wasn't it?
Yeah.
How good's this?
So good.
Oh, that's a big boy, that was it.
I think that's a big stingray or something.
Not a turtle or something. Stingray? Nice fish, mate.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion.
God, they got fucking mental, don't they?
Down the barrel.
Oh, they're all around the back of the boat. Look at them all.
Yeah, water's clean, isn't it? Look at that dead bait still too. Good fish, buddy.
Yes.
Good fish, mate.
Buzzing.
You know the drill.
What?
You know where the fridge is, mate.
Yeah.
That's the deal. That's the only rule on the boat, mate.
It's not a bad one. I've seen worse
There's
rules.
worse rules on the boat. The end of the bottom shelf, though.
God, could you imagine that thing if it was in this cab?
Hence why that purpose.
Tell you what, having a fridge on your fucking boat's a game changer, isn't it?
Ice warming up there.
Really? Fuck yeah. Cheers, bro.
mate.
Thank you.
I'll put that other one on the minute and try that past again.
Yeah. There were some big ones, like fucking big.
Yeah.
Over a metre easy. Oh yeah.
Oh, there you go. Oh, you grabbed it?
Oh, I think he let go.
I'm just starting to drag it. Just distraction.
Yeah. The bait's still there, I don't think. Oh yeah.
Yeah, hook set, buddy.
Holy fuck. Oh, that's a big one. Holy fuck, bro. That is a big fish. Wait till you see this one. Holy fuck.
Marty number 5 to the boat.
Mate, this is a big fish. Please jump.
Gotta get the beers out now, mate.
Oh, this is a stonker. This is the one we came for. Yeah, this is a good fish, bro. Good fucking fish. Oh yeah.
Aerials.
It's fucking big. It's way over a metre, I know that.
You wanted a big boy to finish off.
Oh, this is sick.
Yeah, that's good fish, mate.
Oh yeah, it's proper good fish.
Fuck.
It's a big fucking big fish. Oh, it's just sitting there. Yeah, this is a decent fish, bro. Oh yeah, it's a fucking solid one. This is a gaff one.
It's gonna be commotion.
Oh yeah, there's gonna be commotion, alright. Oh, it's a fucking sick fish.
Got a bite.
Hey?
Got a bite.
That's a bite.
More than a bite there, mate. That's a big fish. Definitely got a bite.
I definitely took the livey. Oh! Oh, he's come off. Oh no, he hasn't.
No, he's foul hooked, is he?
No, he's not foul hooked.
Oh!
He's just going fucking spastic.
Ooh, the gap in him in a minute. Fuck, that's a good fish.
That's a very good fish.
Fish of the day. Only fish of the day when it's in the boat.
Yeah. Oh, there's another big one behind him.
Now the birds turn up and start working. Bit late. side do you want to get him?
I don't think I'm going to have much fucking say in the matter.
Cleared that side of the boat. Not getting sharp, is it?
Yeah. Hey? No. Just fucking big. Yeah. Yeah, I'm on. Look at it. Are you on yet? I'm on. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh, I pulled him.
I'm on.
You're on?
Holy shit, there's a big shark under the boat. Look out the side of the sharks.
Oh fuck. Oh, there's a big cobia here. Oh, there's a big cobia off that shark.
Shark underneath. Look at the size of that shark trying to get my boat. The cobia on.
Ah. Oh, there's some fucking sharks in there, alright. Look at all the bait. Oh, there's some massive cobia. There is some massive cobia with them sharks. Fuck, you want to cast at the sharks, I reckon.
What's that?
Cast at the sharks, there's massive cobia with them.
Oh, look at that. In the sweet spot. Why is nothing eating that? Look at them following it. Oh, tuna though.
Oh.
Still going up further north. We can go up above them.
Why not? If we get onto one of them cobia, fuck, they were huge.
That was a fucking frenzy. Go and give another bash up.
Oh, it'd be rude not to, wouldn't it? I can't believe how big them sharks were too.
And I jumped in with it. Not my fucking smartest out. I've got going back behind us here too.
Oh, they're fucking coming towards us again.
Oh, look at this here. Fuck, they're coming back at us, mate. I don't reckon we need to move, do we?
Nah, I don't think so.
Just wait.
I think so.
Let them find us. Look at the carnage over there.
I'm surprised the shark's not fucking got a bird.
Yeah, get the slug in there. Oh, you got the stick bug. From the right, my side as well, look at the bait.
Oh, what is this bird trying to do? The bird's trying to fucking eat it.
Got a bird.
God, it must look real if a bird's going for it. Oh, big shark out the back. Oh no.
Bait, no!
Oh fuck, you gotta dodge it. Oh!
Oh, look at this!
Come on! Fuck, this is living, innit? That was fucked. I've never ever seen a bust up like that before. Not with sharks, cobia, tuna. Everything was just eating everything.
There's big fish on the bottom too.
I wonder if I should try and get one on the jig or something.
Fuck, I would have been in the middle of this boat walk.
Or just send it down and then crank it up.
Yeah. They weren't even spooked by us, mate, so I can run straight through the fucking middle of it.
Yeah.
I reckon they're cleaning it up now, though.
Oh, look at that cobia out the back. Oh no.
Fucking big sharks. Oh no. There we go. Tuna in there.
Oh, is that? Yes, I've got a cobia. Yes. Oh, I've got a cobia. Yeah. Oh, big cobia too. We might. Oh, there's trevally and everything in there.
What's that?
There was trevallies and everything in there. We're gonna have to chase this. This is fucking big. Oh, snapped. Lost him.